It's been a hectic weekend for OpenAI, the artificial intelligence company behind ChatGPT. The company's board on Monday named a new interim CEO, 3 days after ousting co-founder Sam Altman from the position. And despite reports that executives and investors have been working to bring Altman back, the former CEO announced Monday that he will join Microsoft to help lead a new AI research team. Greg Brockman, another OpenAI co-founder and former president who quit in solidarity with Altman, is also joining Microsoft, according to a post on X, formerly Twitter, from Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella. Hundreds of other employees are now threatening to quit to join Microsoft as well. For those who have yet to catch up on the shakeup at OpenAI, here's what we know so far. Why was Altman ousted? OpenAI's board of directors on Friday announced that Altman would depart as CEO and leave the board. A blog post said the board found Altman was not consistently candid in his communications, which was hindering the board's ability to exercise its responsibilities. Reporting from the Washington Post and CNN found that tensions arose from Altman's push to commercialize the company's product. While the board wanted to move forward with the technology more cautiously, the board also said Friday that Brockman would be stepping down as chairman of the board but keep his role at the company. Brockman quit his job at OpenAI soon after the announcement. Wedbush Securities tech analyst Dan Ives wrote that the train wreck situation at OpenAI created by its four-person board may go down in tech history as one of the biggest debacle decisions in the history of Silicon Valley, according to a Sunday note. Who are the board members of OpenAI? Now that Altman and Brockman are out, the OpenAI nonprofit board consists of chief scientist Ilya Sutskever and non-employees Adam D'Angelo, CEO of Quora, technology entrepreneur Tasha McCauley, and Georgetown Center for Security and Emerging Technologies Helen Toner. How did OpenAI staff react? Hundreds of OpenAI employees have threatened to resign over the board's actions, leaving the future of the AI company on shaky ground. Axios and Wired reported that more than 500 of OpenAI's 700-plus employees have signed a letter urging the company's board to resign. The employees threatened to join the newly announced Microsoft subsidiary run by Altman and Brockman, noting that Microsoft has assured us that there are positions for all OpenAI employees at this new subsidiary should we choose to join. Microsoft is OpenAI's biggest stakeholder with a roughly $13 billion investment. We are unable to work for or with people that lack competence, judgment, and care for our mission and employees, the letter reads. The employees threatened to quit imminently unless all current board members resign, 2 new lead independent directors are appointed, and Altman and Brockman are reinstated. OpenAI chief scientist Ilya Sutskever, who is part of the board that ousted Altman, is one of the 505 employees to sign the letter. Sutskever on Monday said he regrets his participation in the board's actions and never intended to harm OpenAI. According to a post on X, I love everything we've built together and I will do everything I can to reunite the company, he wrote. Will Sam Altman return? The Wall Street Journal and New York Times reported that OpenAI's board was having second thoughts about the firing after receiving pushback from investors. Altman on Sunday posted a photo of himself to X wearing an OpenAI visitor's badge at the company's San Francisco headquarters. The New York Times reported that OpenAI's board told employees Sunday night that Altman would not be returning to his job. But The Verge on Monday reported that Altman and Brockman are still willing to return if the remaining board members step aside.